This week in Nerd History. Bah!
Nerd History.
Those were likely the first words of Dolly the sheep, the world's first cloned animal, which, though born on July 5th, 1996, was first announced to the public on February 22nd, 1997. Ian Wilmot and a team of scientific colleagues were attempting to create a clone from an embryonic stem cell of a sheep. But as part of a test run for the larger study, they first attempted the process using DNA taken from an adult sheep's mammary gland. They didn't expect it to work, but to their surprise, it did. Cloning a mammal defied the scientific dogma of its time. The success led to dire and fantastic predictions. Humans would be cloned, diseases would be prevented, lost children rebirthed. But as time passed, the scientific breakthrough, technically known as nuclear transfer, has largely faded from public consciousness. Most people remember the Little Caesars commercial where you got 2 pizzas for the price of 1 from their competitors, more than they know anything that happened in the field of cloning after Dolly arrived. Cloning's biggest impact, several researchers say, has been the stem cell advances it has sparked. Stem cell biologist Shinya Yamanaka said that Dolly's cloning motivated him to begin developing stem cells derived from adult cells, an accomplishment that won him a Nobel Prize in 2012. This was once seen as a pointless endeavor, but has since become a standard practice, especially in research involving human stem cells, which has allowed much of the religious opposition to stem cell research to die down, since fetal tissue is no longer required. However, the practice of cloning itself has not gotten far, and likely won't go much further. Cloning a person remains unfeasible, with no scientific benefit and an unacceptable level of risk. Most scientists know of no one even considering the feat. And the cloning of animals remains limited, which many countries have even banned. However, lab-grown meat is something currently being touted as the next big innovation, if we can stomach it. Dolly died on February 14th of 2003, living just 6 years, but her early death was attributed to a lung infection common among animals not given access to outdoors, as Dolly remained in a lab. Finally, she was made from adult breast cells. She was also named after Dolly Parton. Those 2 pieces of information may or may not have anything to do with each other. I'm Radio Matt. See you next time for more
Nerd History.